It's a family show.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach.
That's good, man.
Cross
So,
out the
Yeah, boss.
What's up everyone? We've got another mini bike video for you all today. This was such a fun ride up to a ghost town in Tooele County. We rode 15 miles, gained 3,000 feet elevation, and just like every mini bike ride, we had plenty of breakdowns along the way. So I'm excited to bring you all along for this rough ride. Enjoy!
I'm fine to go check this out. I'm down to explore. We can try it. It broke it in. It broke. Yeah, buddy. Good call. We're good. We saved it. It snapped. It broke. No, it broke the plastic piece.
That's gotta go on the YouTube video.
Don't buy this piece of crap.
It's like,
Yeah.
and it's climbing. I bet that thing does really good on that because it lugs. This thing needs to stay a little bit more highly revved up in order to keep it going.
Oh, really?
I think that's fun though because it's a little
Yeah.
more, you know. I just wanted to stop because I didn't want to get lost. Or if we get lost, I want to get lost together. How do you like that, Chris?
That was good.
That's fun, right?
Anybody got a big Allen?
I'll see if that will work for you. Yep, that'll work. I think so.
Baby.
Better than before, that's for sure.
Throw it in there. Throw it in there.
Don't be stealing those from me. Good thing we brought those babies.
It's wild, huh? I got a full tool bag now, baby. After our last ride, I was like, I can't go out there without stuff.
Good idea.
There's a little snow up here. Watch out, boys.
It's gonna get a little gnarly. It's gonna get a little gnarly here. Bike's gonna get a little wet.
Holy crap, dude. Oh, I gotta take a break for a second.
I don't like that so much.
I lost my momentum and then I couldn't get it going again.
Wow, look at this.
All right, turning around.
At least we cleared up all the snow.
I'm seriously gonna start mine up.
Start it up.
The engine braked me. The drum brakes suck. Especially on snow. I'm just dragging my tire. Yeah, buddy.
I did that so hard in the boot.
Did it fuck you off?
Yeah, bad. It was like,
I gotta swap the belt.
you lost it?
No, I gotta swap it.
Oh, is it losing its power?
Yeah.
This is our brake area because that's a hard climb.
It is hard. It's rattling
Like
my
I was
kidneys.
floored most of the way up that.
Yeah.
How do you know if it's on?
What the?
Is it on?
See that here, dude? Bouncing off my face.
I'm coming to you live here from the top of the Uintas in Tuolumne County.
Where are we?
We've got Treg broken down on the side of the trail. Not broken down, just a little preventative here.
It's so hot.
Oh, there you go. Let's check that belt out.
That belt's starting to shred a little bit.
Touch that belt, see if it's hot.
Is it? Yeah, it's hot.
Yeah.
Not that hot.
No, it's good, man. So, what are you feeling right now, Treg?
I just pure ecstasy. Just excited to be out here.
No free ads, but we got those gloves from Harbor Freight, $4.99 on sale.
Sponsor
Harbor
the channel.
Freight, if you're looking to sponsor a mini bike build, my name's Christian Smith. We'll do it on Treg's channel. Mini bike build, Harbor Freight edition.
Okay. They do get tight. If I could get it.
There you go. Keep now. Just roll it back or forward. Don't get your fingers in there.
Yep.
Though.
Well, there's two fingers in the glove. There we go.
Are you good? Yeah, okay.
There we go.
It's fine.
Got it? You holding it?
It's easier to put it back on.
Look at the quality of those gloves from Harbor Freight for $4.99. Sponsor me.
Watch his fingers though.
There we go. Roll it forward.
Beautiful. Brand new fresh belt. We got another at least 3,000 feet elevation before we change it again.
When you hear that tink, that's when you know it's seated correctly. Do you see how tight it is? That's what you want. And remember, the inverted portion needs to go on the downside, okay? Remember that when you're replacing these belts on these CVTs. Alrighty?
I could hear that piece of the belt crashing around in there.
It wasn't too bad though.
No,
you probably could have kept going.
I honestly thought it would be worse.
But I could.
But now that you have a fresh belt on there, it feels good, right?
Feels great.
Let's chat aliens for a second. They exist. Who knew?
Keep coming up to these places hoping to find them. That's the only reason I come out here.
I heard they live in Thule County at the abandoned Jacob Silver Mine.
Did I tell you about the time I saw Bigfoot
No.
One time.
in the Uintas?
Oh yeah, I've heard this story. You've heard it too. The rocks and the lake.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This bandana, Hobby Lobby, 99 cents. If you're looking for a new bandana, go to Hobby Lobby. No free ads. Sponsor me.
I should have brought a ratchet. A little ratchet wrench gets this in there a
Yeah,
lot
but-
faster.
That's just fun.
I'm having a good time. If you can't do it with the tools that Coleman provided, then you shouldn't be out here.
All right.
We'll just say that.
You got tools with yours?
Yeah, dude, didn't you get these little wrenches?
No.
Well, you bought yours used.
Yeah, that's true, huh? That's boring. Now, if you want to do your part, conservation, you pick up one piece of trash every time you go out on a mini bike ride. That's doing your part.
To be clear, you didn't drink that.
No, I don't drink Bud. If this was a tall classic Coke Zero, now that's good. That's good fuel right there.
All right, we're good.
Because we don't drink in mini bike.
Drink a mini bike? Very
Unless it's
unsafe.
Coke Zero.
Unless it's Coke Zero or Dr. Pepper Cream Soda Zero is the fuel of this mini biker. Sponsor me, no free ads.
This is 100% unusable now. This entire segment is now unusable.
What are you talking about? How is it unusable?
I don't know.
It's totally usable.
This is great.
We didn't go up here last time. This makes a full loop around the mountain.
This one does?
Yeah.
So do you want to go on this one or go over there?
We didn't get to explore the ghost town area as much.
That way?
Let's go down.
Go up there somewhere?
Yeah. I want to go see that area a little bit.
I don't want to go down that. I
No.
don't want to go down all that nasty. I know, but I think you can see more of a road like this going all the way down. Look at it. This is kind of cool. I don't know what's up in there. Is it empty?
Get in there.
Get in there. What is that? It's like a rock shoot or something. It's nice timber. Really nice timber. Claimed wood. Big boards like this.
No, these beams would be.
These beams
You
would
could
be
sell
sick.
these beams.
No, like literally right where your head was.
Oh, here?
Yeah. Like all these that protruding through
There's
the
a
wood.
purple thing in there. I gotta see what it is.
Where?
It's probably glass. Yeah, it's glass. I was gonna say.
Oh, trying to get up there? Yeah. Oh shoot, this is quite the scramble. It's a rock slide. This is where you get stopped by a cougar.
Keep going right there.
Where I am?
Yeah.
There's like a little trail right here.
Yeah. It'll take you right to it.
Oh yeah.
If I were a bear, this is where I would come.
Ah, just an outhouse.
Yep.
Is it a two-seater?
No, there's nothing in there.
No, this is how. Here, let me.
It looked like, I bet that is the mine.
I'm a professional pioneer reenactor. Don't try this at home. So they'd walk in here, and there'd be a big hole in the ground, half for men, half for women. And then you wall sit, and that's your technique. Okay? Out farther for a squatty potty type positioning.
What?
What
was he saying?
I don't know.
Perfect.
So, you think he's low then? Ooh, this one has like cart tracks, or one cart track at least. But there's a big one over here, that must be the electric one. Yeah, and the cart tracks start up back there too. They do it in LA all the time. They literally
put it in a headlock?
you literally just like kneel on its throat.
Here, you don't have a flashlight. You can hold that.
I don't see how that would work.
I'm a cougar expert. Kneel on their throat. What do you say to do?
I would shoot it probably.
You don't have a gun in
I
this
don't think-
situation. You're out hiking with your family.
I'm running away.
You can't do that.
What?
There is the cart track.
Yeah. Get in there.
Oh, I don't want to.
You gotta go first, dude.
I don't want to go first.
You gotta do
No, you go first.
You're the guy that goes first. Watch your head, Chris.
Yeah, I wish I had my helmet.
I'm second. I'm the guy that goes last.
All right, I'll go in. Well, there's no do not enter sign.
Here, Christian, take my flashlight.
Yeah, these are cart tracks here.
Duh, I said that.
Go, bro.
Hey,
Look for anything glowing, like lights,
No,
like eyes.
eyes.
I okay, shit.
What?
Just kidding. I'm not seeing. I'm seeing shoe print right there.
A shoe print?
Yeah, there's multiple shoe prints in here.
Oh no.
Look,
There's hermits.
shoe print. Shoe print.
Have you ever seen the
Shoe
hills
print.
have eyes?
Watch your
Shoe
feet.
print.
Watch your feet.
Shoe print.
Yeah.
Okay, so someone's been in here before looking for 100-year-old denom. 100-year-old denim you can sell on eBay. Thousands.
Levi Strauss.
You get a pair of 501s from 1890.
You talking about Levi Strauss?
Dude, I'm
Yeah.
I'm really not gonna go all the way in there.
Oh,
I'll tell
you're
you.
good. Keep going.
I'll tell you right now. I'm
No, but just think about how good your voice sounds in here.
Because
Oh, there's a bat. No, I'm not joking. I'm not joking.
oh,
Yes,
that's cute.
it's a tiny little bat, and
is, dude.
but I'm not cool with bats.
What are you talking
I'm
about?
not-
He's
no.
so small. He's asleep.
I know, but I'm not cool with that. Wait, how?
Local bat expert. You gotta relax this for the video. Local bat expert here. What you're seeing there is a Peruvian fruit fly bat. It's one of those invasive species. We should kill it, but
No.
we can't.
No, let's leave it. It's
Let's
fine.
leave it. It's sleeping.
All right.
They're harmless to humans.
Yeah.
Come on, you guys. Come to the first curve in the mine.
Yeah, it's getting wet in there.
It's getting wet in there.
There's something there.
No, there's not.
Yeah, there's like a cart or something.
Go. Okay, let's go. It's getting smaller.
Wait, is there anything back there?
No, it's like a little side ditch of trash area.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm out.
Are we done?
Wait, no. What? Just go to there and see what's in there.
Keep watching the ground. Be careful.
Yeah, you're good. See you, bro.
Yeah. All right, let's go.
It's crazy.
It's dark as hell in there.
Dude, I feel like you need to come in with like ropes. and
Yeah, you gotta
helmets.
have helmets and all the safety
You guys
precautions.
are such safety individuals.
Another one? They're everywhere.
They're everywhere. What's up? Is that number 4 or 5? 4?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Kick something?
I heard it hit something hard.
They're right there somewhere.
I hit a rock. I hit a rock.
A rock. I don't know if I flipped it up or what, but it stood straight up and went boom and launched me off the back of the bike.
I had a big stick go up in here, almost tear that cover off.
Mine's everywhere. This is the 5th one we found.
No, we gotta know these mountains though, like it's the back of our hand.
I don't think so.
I think it'd be fun if we had like
we've
a.
literally been up one canyon.
Dude, I feel like it'd be fun if we had like a group of like 20 of these things going up.
Look at the house. There's something. Dude, this probably was a house.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Because it tucks back in between these rocks that they've piled up. All right, let's get out of here before the sun goes down.
Get out of here before
You can't get off the bike anymore. Somebody's gonna have to put Mallory in the pickup. This is some of the roughest riding I've ever done.
I'm glad to see this crossroad because it'll be pretty smooth now, I think. Push the old girl too hard.
Don't worry.
Do you have a master link?
Yeah.
Awesome. Oh yeah, that's a good idea, man. You saved us. Oh, what size? The. Holy cow! This used to be a bag.
Look at that.
That's shredded. That's all right. Oh boy.
Oh, that was with that.
Like all great mini bike rides, we limped back to the truck in pieces, but we made it. This is about the time that the GoPro gave out, so we'll end the video here. If you want to see more mini bike adventures, make sure to hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks everyone.